Good morning, Vale Daily readers. This is Sean Naylor, and you are watching On the Hill. It is March 6, 2026, and we are out here atop Larkspur after a 5-inch snowstorm. Puff over to this spot where you cut across the ridge, and then you get right over here and kind of hug the tree line a little bit. Woo. All right. So it's nice and cool up here, which is made the snow nice and fine. Got a pretty good powder going, and check out this run right here. A little tight. Woohoo! All right, starting to see a clearing down here in the bottom. As you can see, the snow is really accumulated back here. I think I see a good opening. Woo! All right, so yeah, 5 inches in the last 24 hours, and we have more on the way. It's really gonna snow all day out here, and then we're gonna see what the accumulation looks like at the end of the day. But for right now, it's about 10 o'clock, and it's still pretty good. Now we're gonna pop out into the bowl. Check this out. Nice and clear on this side. So as you can see, even in this historically low snow year, we have some really good conditions out here right now. Heading into the spring break time, we got some crowds coming in, but with 25 on 25 lifts open, there's plenty of space to spread out, so that's really nice. Woo. In towards the left, top left, open forward, try and find stuff. We're now at a 36-inch base out here, and yeah, so we've reached 3 feet, which is better. So a vast improvement going in. We have a lot of terrain open, as you can see. bands coming this weekend too. Dimitri Martin is in town tomorrow night. Hilarious comedian over at the Villar. Crowds are starting to pick up, but the lift lines are fine right now. There's about maybe a 1 minute wait over at Birds of Prey tops, but Larkspur is wide open, Grouse is wide open, Main Mountain's pretty good. So definitely get out here and get yourself some. This is Sean Naylor with the Vail Daily. Thank you for watching On the Hill, and happy March.